Hey guys, it's Mary Ellen. Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, thanks for stopping by. Today's video is obviously going to be a giveaway. I'm really super excited about these new Ashley Shelly planners. So stay tuned if you would like to see them and if you'd like to enter. So I just wanted to mention before we start this video that first of all, I never promote anything on my channel that I don't think is a really good quality product. I do believe in these. This is not something that I personally use because you know I use the Happy Planner, but I thought it would be good to get this out to someone who could use it. And Ashley Shelly reached out to me and wanted to partner up, and she is the sweetest person, first of all, and I really like supporting small businesses. She is a small business and she's so sweet, and her planners are really nice. So I thought I would help her out and just do a giveaway. I'm only going to be giving away one of these planners. I do have two, but one of my daughters wanted one of them. So I'm going to give her this one and I'm going to give away the bigger one. But I'm going to go through both, okay? All right, so first of all, these planners are launching on ashleyshelly.com at 10 o'clock Eastern time on September 4th. These are the new 2021 planners. We have a signature Ashley Shelly planner right here, and we have a petite Ashley Shelly planner here. Now, all the information for this stuff is going to be in the description box below in this video. And I have a coupon code for you guys. The coupon code is Bumble 2021. And with that code, you get $5 off a 2021 signature or petite planner. And that expires on September 30th. Okay, just so that information is out of the way. I'll put all this info in the description box too, because I know with giveaways, sometimes it can be a little bit confusing and all that. So it'll all be there. So let's take a look at each one of these planners. I'm going to go over this little guy. Boy, I can't speak today. First. So this is the petite Ashley Shelly planner. It's got a very smooth, like, I can't explain how this feels, but it's like a leatherette wrapped cover, and it's a bound book planner. So this is not a spiral or anything. It's a bound book. And it's just, it feels really good. So it says create your best days. It's like got this silver foiling. And then inside it has this pretty polka dot cover and a little whatchamacallit, folder thing here. Boy, I don't know what's wrong with me today. Okay, so let's keep looking at it though. Inside you have a note from Ashley. It talks a little bit about the planner. You have a 2021 inspiration board. Write, draw, and tape all the inspiration here for the year ahead. So this kind of planner just gets you off to a good start. We have contacts. We have meal ideas. This is like a planning overview where you can plan your entire year with birthdays, or you can do whatever you want on these pages, kind of like a year at a glance pages. And then here we have the dates, the calendars for 2021, 2022. Wow, 2022 is really difficult to say. 2021 is too, but 2022 is like, whoa. Okay, so here's the holidays. And then each month has like a page that's sort of self-care. So this says, create your best days in January. What are you grateful for right now? What are you worried, stressed about? What can you do to remove your stress? You know what it is. What creates happiness in your life that you want to do more of this month? You know, I love that. What are you going to say no to this month? Super important. Imagine the month ahead, write a few words and describe how you want to feel this month. Then we have self-care activities and items, monthly goals, and then your word of the month. So this is like a little currently page, sort of, and every month is the same. It's just a different color. Let me see where, oh, it's this one here. Okay, so it's pretty much the same thing. But the good thing about that is when you go back and look through this planner at the end of the year, you can kind of see patterns evolving with your mood and with your self-care, with your stress. And I just think it's really good to look back on that to help you improve in the future and just to see how far you've come. So I like that. Okay, so then you have 2 pages of notes. I would totally use these for like a brain dump list. This would be my brain dump list right here. Okay, and this would be anything else I needed to remember for the month. Okay, so this is what your weekly page looks like. This is a reminder up here about your monthly word. I like that it's a monthly word. I've done a yearly word, but I've never done a monthly word. That's kind of interesting. All right, so you have a tiny little notes section up here, but then you have each day is like some lines here, and then you have these little places where you can put times if you want. And then over here is like a to-do list for each day. So this is not a planner probably that you're going to decorate a whole lot. You can decorate it, but it's a really, really functional planner. And if you're somebody who just really needs to get all of your lists out on paper and you just really need to be super functional and compact, this is the planner for you. You can throw this in your purse so easily and just always have it available. Okay, so the second week is going to look the same. All these weeks are going to look the same. Okay. And then we have a February monthly view right here. So again, super functional. It's going to keep you on track. It's small enough to throw in your purse. And then February is going to be the same. So your monthlies are going to look the same except for the color is going to change. You see February is purple, and then March is going to be this color, but it's got this really cool color palette because it's like navy and turquoise and purple pretty much, and it's just kind of coordinates really, really well. And then you have a ribbon bookmark, which I love ribbon bookmarks. Kind of wish my happy planner had a ribbon bookmark. But you know, with the book bound planner, you typically get that, and it's just nice to be able to keep your place. And then let's see if there's anything different in the back of the book. No, so it pretty much ends in the beginning of 2022. And then we have this cute little polka dot pattern. And then this is the back. It just says Ashley Shelly. So, and I love this like periwinkle color. So that is the first one. Okay, the second one, and this is the one I'll be giving away. This is, and let me know, like if you're the winner of this giveaway, let me know if you'd rather have this one, because I'm giving my daughter one of them. I told her she can have the small one, but if you would rather have the small one, let me know and I will give her the bigger one. Okay, I just thought more people would want the bigger one. Totally up to you. You can choose whichever one you want, and you can let me know. Okay, so this is the 2021 signature Ashley Shelly planner. It is wire bound. It is high quality. The cover is really hard and it's like slightly glossy. So it's really pretty. Oh, I forgot to mention the size of this other one. So the pages are 5 by 8, just so you're aware. I forgot about that. Okay. And the pages in this one are 6 by 9. So it's slightly bigger, as you can tell. I really like how this cover feels. It feels very, very sturdy. And again, you have a pocket in the front. That was the word I was looking for in the other one. Pocket. Oh my goodness. Pocket. You would think, being a planner and being around planner pockets all the time, I would be able to grab that word out of my brain. Sometimes my brain just does not, give me the words that I'm looking for. What can I say? If you've watched a lot of my videos, you probably know that already. So in here you have, this is a little like Ziploc pouch. And then you have these cute little stickers, and they coordinate with the colors in the planner. They're little icon stickers, and then one that says create your best days. Okay, so you can put anything you want in there. And then a little name section. Okay, so this is going to look pretty similar to the other planner, but it's bigger and it's bound by wires, so it's different. But we have contacts, meal ideas, same deal, overview, the calendar, the holidays, and then we get into the monthly pages. Okay, so this is the same thing as in the other one. It's just bigger. So again, it's a very self-care kind of page, and you can see patterns as you go along. In this planner, it has these little perforations in the bottom, so you can like use it as a bookmark, so you can tear it off so you know exactly like what place you're at in the book, which is always helpful. What else can I tell you about this one? Got the same color combos pretty much. So it's basically the same, it's just bigger. And in the back of each month, you have the notes again, brain dump list for me, and then anything else. You know, you can, this would actually, well, this would fit in my purse. I don't know if it's gonna fit in your purse, but I would carry this around with me because it's like small enough. You know, I use a big happy planner and that's giant. It would be kind of cool to have one, you know, just to throw in my purse or carry around with me. I don't know. I like the idea of that. I just never have done it. I mean, I use the mini in my purse, but this is like, I don't know, a bigger planner. So anyway, so there you have it. All of that in the back. Again, these are available on the website. They'll be available on September 4th at 10 o'clock. And so if you're interested, go check that out. And now for the rules of the giveaway. So number one, you need to be subscribed to my channel. So subscribe if you're not already. Click the notification bell to get notified when I put out videos. So that is the first thing. Second thing you need to do is to go to Instagram and follow Ashley Shelly on Instagram. And I will put a link in the description box too. So everything's going to be down there, you guys. It's all there. Okay. This giveaway is going to end on Monday, August 31st at 12 p.m. Eastern time. I am opening this up to international this time. Some of my giveaways are only US. This one I think should be international. Also, it's worth noting that Ashley Shelly does ship internationally as well. So anyway, it's going to be a random drawing. Again, subscribe to my channel, follow Ashley Shelly on Instagram, comment below, just whatever that you want to enter, whatever. And then on August 31st at 12 o'clock, I will be choosing a winner from a random drawing. And I'll be announcing it on the community tab on YouTube and also on Instagram. I think I'll also maybe, and this is something I learned last time, I think I'll also maybe reply to the person's comment who won, because I think that's an easier way for you to see it. But I'll put the winner out there so you can all see. And that's it. Again, all the stuff's going to be in the description box. So I know sometimes I talk in circles. Sorry about that, but it's all down below. Check it out. Check out Ashley Shelly, and good luck to you guys. All right, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.